Which of the following bus types are used by the Apple Macintosh computer? A. ISA. B. NuBus. C. ESA. D. MCA. The correct answer is NuBus. When the time to establish link is large and the size of data is small, the preferred mode of data transfer is A. Circuit switching. B. Packet switching. C. Time division multiplexing. D. All of the above. The correct answer is packet switching. Group of instructions that directs a computer is called A. Storage. B. Memory. C. Logic. D. Program. The correct answer is program. A computer-controlled device for training exercises that duplicates the work environment is A. Simulator. B. Duplicator. C. Trainer. D. CUM device. The correct answer is simulator. Which of the following is not an output device of a computer? A. Printer. B. Keyboard. C. VDO. D. CRT screen. The correct answer is keyboard. Which of the following terms could be used to describe the concurrent processing of computer programs via CRTs on one computer system? A. Time sharing. B. Online processing. C. Interactive processing. D. All the above processing. The correct answer is all the above processing. What is the name given to the specialized storage element in the processor unit of a computer which is used as a scratchpad during processing operations? A. Storage register. B. Primary memory. C. Cache memory. D. Accumulator. The correct answer is cache memory. A large number of computers in a wide geographical area can be efficiently connected using A. Twisted pair lines. B. Coaxial cables. C. Communications satellites. D. All of the above. The correct answer is communications satellites. Which of the following statements is true? A. Analysts usually work alone and sometimes as part of a team. B. Most systems projects are completed in 6 to 12 weeks. C. An analyst's primary concern is the development of software. D. Analysts evaluate data flow through an organization. The correct answer is analysts evaluate data flow through an organization. An advantage of blocking a tape is that A. Additional processing time is consumed. B. The direct file method can be emulated. C. Tapes contain less data and longer tapes. D. Less tape is used to store the same amount of data. The correct answer is less tape is used to store the same amount of data. Perforated paper used as input or output media is known as A. Paper tape. B. Magnetic tape. C. Punched paper tape. D. Card punch. The correct answer is paper tape. What is the byte capacity of a drum which is 5-inch high, 10-inch diameter, and which has 60 tracks per inch and bit density of 800 bits per inch? A. 9,42,000 bytes. B. 9712478 bytes. C. 1,92,300 bytes. D. 14,384 bytes. The correct answer is 9,42,000 bytes. Ethernet uses A. Bus topology. B. Ring topology. C. Star topology. D. Tree topology. The correct answer is bus topology. What is the latest write-once optical storage media? A. Digital paper. B. Magneto-optical disc. C. Warm disk. D. CD-ROM disc. The correct answer is digital paper. The data processing job expected to further decrease in the 1996S is that of A. Key puncher. B. Data entry clerk. C. Computer operator. D. Programmer. The correct answer is key puncher. A computer has no more sense than a light. A. Bulb. B. Pen. C. Switch. D. Pad. The correct answer is switch. The first large-scale electronic computer which became operational in 1946 and contained approximately 18,000 vacuum tubes and could perform 300 multiplications per second was known as A. ELIAC. B. ENIAC. C. JOHNIAC. D. EDSAC. The correct answer is ENIAC. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called an A. Interpreter. B. Simulator. C. Compiler. D. Commander. The correct answer is compiler. A logic gate is an electronic circuit which A. makes logic decisions. B. allows electron flow only in one direction. C. works on binary algebra. D. alternates between 0 and 1 values. The correct answer is makes logic decisions. Computer scientists are exploring the possibility of culturing bacteria to create living chips which have digital electronic properties. What are these chips called? A. bacterial chips. B. biochips. C. natural chips. D. neural chips. The correct answer is biochips. What is the name of the storage device which is used to compensate for the difference in rates of flow of data from one's device to another? A. cache. B. concentrator. C. buffer. D. I/O device. The correct answer is buffer. In latest generation computers, the instructions are executed A. parallelly only. B. sequentially only. C. both sequentially and parallelly. D. all of the above. The correct answer is both sequentially and parallelly. Program execution time would be minimum if the programs are written in A. machine language. B. assembly language. C. high-level language. D. all of the above. The correct answer is machine language. A small square or rectangular piece of silica on which several layers of an integrated circuit are etched or imprinted is called A. VLSI. B. micro. C. wafer. D. chip. The correct answer is chip. The processing capability of a microcomputer can be enhanced with the help of A. addition processor. B. expansion cards. C. secondary memory. D. buffer memory. The correct answer is expansion cards. Where are silicon chips manufactured in India? A. Chandigarh. B. Punjab. C. UP. D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is Chandigarh. A computer programmer A. does all the thinking for a computer. B. can enter input data quickly. C. can operate all types of computer equipment. D. can draw only flowchart. The correct answer is does all the thinking for a computer. The three most important inventions of this century are the nuclear bomb, the high-yield hybrid speed, and the computer. Can you name the person who made this statement? A. Harry R. Jordan. B. Buckminster Fuller. C. Jack Smith. D. Jan Timmer. The correct answer is Buckminster Fuller. A menu-driven operating system is one which allows you to pick up from the menu of choices it displays on the screen. What is the name given to the images which are used in such image-oriented menus? A. icon. B. figure. C. symbol. D. option. The correct answer is icon. What is the name of the earliest calculating machine which was based on concepts found in modern computers but was unfortunately never built? A. Babbage's difference engine. B. Pascal's adder. C. Leibniz's multiplier. D. Differential analyzer. The correct answer is Babbage's difference engine. The first machine to successfully perform a long series of arithmetic and logical operations was A. ENIAC, B. Mark I, C. Analytic engine, D. UNIVAC I. The correct answer is Mark I, which is used for manufacturing chips. A. Bus, B. Control unit, C. Semiconductors, D. A and B only. The correct answer is semiconductors. The 0 and 1 in the binary numbering system are called binary digits or A. bytes, B. kilobytes, C. decimal bytes, D. bits. The correct answer is bits. Floppy disks, which are made from flexible plastic material, are also called A. hard disks, B. high density disks, C. diskettes, D. templates. The correct answer is diskettes. Which of the following tasks is not suited for sequential processing by a computer? A. Preparing of mailing labels, B. Processing payroll checks, C. Accounting for credit card purchases, D. Inventory control. The correct answer is inventory control. Which of the following is responsible for coordinating various operations using timing signals? A. Arithmetic logic unit, B. Control unit, C. Memory unit, D. Input-output unit. The correct answer is control unit. All calculations are performed and all comparisons are made in unit. A. Control unit, B. Arithmetic logic unit, C. Central processing unit, D. Primary storage unit. The correct answer is arithmetic logic unit. The most commonly used standard data code to represent alphabetical, numerical, and punctuation characters used in electronic data processing system is called A. ASCII, B. EBCDI, C. BCD, D. all of the above. The correct answer is ASCII. The terminal device often used in checking charge cards that offers both a limited keyboard input and visual output is the A. Intelligent terminal, B. POS terminal, C. Video display terminal, D. Audio response unit. The correct answer is video display terminal. The computer translates the condition of each switch to a number. What number is represented by the off state? A. 7, B. 3.75, C. 1, D. 0. The correct answer is 0. Who built the world's first electronic calculator using telephone relays, light bulbs, and batteries? A. Claude Shannon, B. Konrad Zuse, C. George Stibitz, D. Howard H. Alaikin. The correct answer is George Stibitz. Hard disks and diskettes are A. Direct access storage devices, B. Sequential access storage devices, C. Rarely used with microcomputers, D. Both A and C. The correct answer is direct access storage devices. Which of the following is not one of the three primary functions that online direct access systems can serve? A. Inquiry, B. Backup, C. Update, D. Programming. The correct answer is backup. How many bits can be stored in the 8K RAM? A. 8000, B. 8192, C. 4000, D. 4096. The correct answer is 8192. A code which uses more bits for each character than what is necessary is known as A. Hollerith code, B. Gray code, C. Redundant code, D. Mnemonics. The correct answer is redundant code. Point out the odd item amongst the following. A. Computer mouse, B. Touchpad, C. Light pen, D. Printer. The correct answer is printer. Access time in a computer memory is the time required to A. Locate the stored data. B. Retrieve the stored data. C. Both locate and retrieve the data. D. All of the above. The correct answer is both locate and retrieve the data.